Hey friends, it's Trisha here. I'm in my studio today, but I want to take you to the kitchen. I want to give you a detailed tour of our Kitchen Peninsula. We took three drawer cupboards that each contain 3 drawers. So that's a total of 9 drawers. We covered it with our granite countertop, and that became our peninsula. I love how it turned out, and I want to take you through each drawer. So come along, let's get her done. Hello from the Freedom Hill Kitchen. It's Trisha here, and I know y'all are aware that we recently remodeled our kitchen. We're still not done. We had to put the backsplash on hold and a few other things. But this is pretty much how it looks every day. I'm not real obsessive about making sure everything's put away. This box is a box for donation. And the table, we just got done with dinner. There's some ads and some mail laying on the table. Yeah, no big deal. Picked up some stools off of Facebook Marketplace, and I made some cushions, and those are fun. But today I want to take you through my drawers. For our peninsula, we made it out of 3 drawer units that each had 3 drawers in them. So we have a unit of 9 drawers topped with our granite countertop, and this is where I keep many of my kitchen essentials. I have 2 other drawers in the kitchen. This one, let me show you. I keep our silverware and a few extra cooking utensils in there. And then this drawer over here, I keep my Cutco knives, a couple of kitchen tools that I use frequently, and I have my KitchenAid ice cream maker instruction manual because I finally unwrapped that from Christmas. I'm going to make some ice cream this week. I'm going to make strawberry ice cream. Stay tuned for that. I should film that because it's like totally strawberry ice cream. Yeah. But I wanted to go through my kitchen drawers and just show you what I've done. Okay, my first drawer, top left. This is where I keep my tea. All my tea. There's loose leaf teas, and different types of tea. I don't drink a lot of tea in the summer, although I really should make some iced tea. All my tea is I'm going to show you these 2 drawers together because these are my spices. Do you think I have enough? Do you think I have enough spices? I love these jars. I got them at IKEA, and they work out great. I even have some of my blends, like my taco seasoning. It's empty, so I need to make some more. But I keep all my spices in here, and I usually buy them in bulk and then refill these as needed. My next drawer is this utensil drawer. Discovered these dishpans from the dollar store, fit right on top, and they can move back and forth and act like a divider. It's pretty cool. So this is what I have in here. I don't use everything in here every day, but I like it easily accessible. In this drawer, I have a couple layers of things, and I often take this one out if I need to access anything below, but I don't access all that very often. I keep my straws down there, the sandwich bags for the people who pack lunches, and just miscellaneous kitchen tools. In this drawer, I keep my dish towels and my little cork trivets. They just sit down here in the front. This works out great, again, with the dishpan on top to hold different things. So you can fit quite a bit in there. My bottom left drawer is more utensils and also my pot holders and things. And this slides back and forth, and you can see back there, have a rolling pin, have my bamboo, little serving things, my knife sharpener, and my citrus tools here. My Mentos which I'm never without. Left middle drawer is for all my plastic wrap and foil and Ziploc bags and all that kind of stuff. I use these no wax paper sheets for in the microwave. Cover your food with them, and that works out great. And the last drawer is just a few more miscellaneous things. This drawer is not very full. I have these plastic, like they look like shower caps, but my sister gave them to me. They go on top of like leftovers and stuff. I have my potato baker and corn cooker in there, and funnels and just miscellaneous little serving dishes, and have a few lids to my mason jars. So that wraps it up. That is my peninsula full of drawers, and that's how I organize it. So it's kind of fun. I love to organize. Have a great night, everybody.